Hello everyone, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. I have chosen 5 pairs starting with USDCAD. We had a really nice combination for one of our strategies. You can see our live trade here. We already have our win-win scenario, an APO of 30 pips already. I mean, like 30, 60 plus 60, at least 120 pips, and we are still counting. Like I said, on the live room you can always trade your APO on M12 or even on M24, just in case you want to keep this trade as long as possible. On CAD CHF, we know we had a very powerful range, and when we saw price reaching this area, our bound short was as a scenario. Of course, you could have tried the M6, M3 against the main trend strategy, or just put some pending orders with an APO of, again, more or less like 28, okay, let's say 30 pips. And price, again, already win-win scenario, has moved to 100 pips. 3 times for sure our APO win-win. And of course, since you are already in, you know how far short you can go. This is the range, and like I said, when price reacts here, it goes all the way down. So stay in. We have our win-win scenario. No harm done. Nothing can go wrong. On New Zealand dollar CAD, again, one of our strategies, of our filters, bounce on a major support area. And some of you took the entry here with an M12 opportunity. Again, twice your APO it's met, but many of you went on an M6. Many of you do that. That's okay. And you see, this was a really nice setup. APO again like 25, 30 pips, even more, and price has already moved. Last position still running 120 and 10 pips, again more than 4 times our APO. Of course, trail your APO on higher settings for you to stay as long as possible. Now, same thing, different pair. Again, you can see my reaction, my trend line break. Again, my opportunity here, 50 pips, already win-win scenario. Price reached 200, 100 pips still running if you haven't get stopped out. If you trailed your APO on 160 pips, again more than 3 times our APO on GBP CAD, and it looks like price might want to retrace on higher settings. We will check them anyway on our live room and see and act accordingly. On Aussie Yen, we had a retracement here on M12, or even a combined M12 M6 with a bounce on a very powerful trend line. Many strategies, again, you can see my first and second target are met with an APO of 20-25 pips. Price has moved win-win scenario 60 pips and still running. This is my long-term target, so just stay in. So with only these 5 pairs, we had more than 18% or 18 times our APO. I think that's a good results for the week that passed. See you again tomorrow on our live room. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye everybody.